Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check the drive with SMART or disk utility so you know if recovery is viable. Once done, install Stellar Data Recovery and pick the edition that matches your needs, because features differ. Next, launch the app and select the exact drive and file types to recover, making sure to toggle Deep Scan for formatted or heavily corrupted volumes. This prioritizes thoroughness over speed, so expect longer scan time. You now run the scan. Start with Quick Scan for a fast pass to catch recently deleted files. If you don't see what you need, switch to Deep Scan because it reconstructs file headers and recovers formatted partitions. While scanning, monitor progress and preview files so you can prioritize important items. This saves time later. Also use the built-in filters for file type, size, and date to narrow results, and mark selected files for recovery so you don't miss critical data. You finish by exporting recovered files to a separate drive or external storage to avoid overwriting the source. This is critical. Once copied, verify integrity by opening documents, playing media, and checking file sizes and timestamps to confirm successful recovery. If files are corrupted or missing, create a drive image within Stellar and rerun the recovery on the image, because working from an image prevents further damage. If problems persist, collect application logs and contact Stellar support for targeted assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.